Yeah, so thank you so much, sir. So basically, we kind of 1976 born organization, and 48 years we have created a legacy, and we are very much. I am very much proud to say that we are part of this digital transformation journey. We have implemented many mission mode project where we have a clear vision that our vision is to simplifying the lives of the people and touching the lives of the people with the help of technology. So this is the vision that the company is driving it out, and we the leaders of the organization are helping government to implement the technology, to implement new projects which can easy which can help the simplifying the lives of the people of India. So I would like to quote some examples over here that we are very much associated with some of the projects like Swachh Bharat Mission. Swachh Bharat Mission is simply a kind of platform which is being implemented in the districts, and districts are feeding the data to get the kind of doing the Swachh Sarvekhan, and we as a citizen are the part of that Swachh Sarvekhan. We are also associated with ESIC, Employee State Insurance Corporation, and happy to say that we are touching the lives of 14 crore 14 crore people across India who is the bottom of the pyramid and very poor people. Their social in their basically their risk is being taken care by the government, and is that is done by the contribution from the employer side. So that ESIC, the whole technology platform, is managed by us. Apart from that, we are also associated with PFRDA, Pension Fund Regulatory Development Authority. I am also to quote here an example of WDRA, Warehousing Development Regulatory Authority, which has been a kind of PMO, is a part of doubling the farmer income something, which is like warehousing. Warehousing means जहाँ पे किसान आता है अपना प्रोड्यूस रखता है एंड देन उसके बाद उसको एक चालान मिलता था, एंड दैट चालान वो क्या होता है उसका खो गया तो उसको बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती थी. Now it is the whole process is been converted into the digitization, and now in spite of getting the receipt, he gets a kind of digital unique code, and on the basis of which is been traded on CDSL on NSDL. So now he can go to the bank and can quote that he has some produce kept in some warehouse, and he can get the loan against it. So that's the kind of initiative that we have taken. And when we say digitization, digital public infrastructure, actually this public infrastructure we have transformed from public infrastructure to digital public infrastructure. And when we say that public infrastructure to digital public infrastructure, the actual role of technology comes in. And I would I would be very proud to say that from apart from like the India as a country has transformed from physical to digital, same way we have also in 48 years we are also transformed. We were initially started transaction based service delivery in 1980s, basically in 2000 when we started our first transaction based model, Karnataka, Bangalore one and Karnataka one, which was predominantly into delivering of the physical delivery of the services to the citizen of the state. Now all those services which we are delivering through the CSCs, through the VLEs, village level entrepreneurs, now it is being converted into apps, a kind of mobile governance sort of. And the whole technology now we have shifted from the citizen service delivery company to technology driven company, and we are implementing those technologies, developing mobile apps for the people, for the government, and people of India, people of, like our citizen are using that. So to name it, there are the some like I quoted an example in the morning, EODB, ease of doing business. So we have developed kind of single window system for Telangana, which is been awarded for best e-governance initiative, and and many of the state governments are coming to see that how it is being implemented and what are the things, and it has been adopted by other state governments also. Apart from that, we are also doing homeland security, which is basically kind of CCTNS, crime control tracking network system. So now, after having this vision is been rolled by the Home Ministry, now all the states are using their own CCTNS, and that CCTNS data now CCTNS has been implemented. Now the next step is the analytics, to run the analytics on top of the data and to find some use cases which can be converted into actionable intelligence for the states. So this kind of the next generation technology driven services is now being rolled out, and we are very much actively participating to give the output to the government, give the data to the government, so that the respective policy can be framed in order to meet the new challenges. So these are some initiatives that is been taken care by us, sir. And apart from that, we would also like to say that we are known as a traffic. Since initially in 1980s we were having a monopoly in traffic division, and we most of the cities where the traffic system is being implemented is implemented by CMS. Now we have moved from traffic to a smart city, and now the smart city, the whole smart city comes under the command and control center sort of thing. So that command control, so we have moved from traffic to command control center. We are also helping some of the state for EWDS, where we have implemented in Kerala like early warning detection system. So in case of any sort of disaster, the on the basis of the data captured and fed by different input devices, we do a kind of analytics. We have analytics engine which can give a kind of, which do the predictive analytics that this sort of disaster is going to happen, and according to the state machinery get into action. And we that way we save a lot of you can say we save a lot of in terms of people, also in terms of money also, we do a lot of saving. So these are the things which has been done by us, sir. So thank you so much.